Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. Welcome to our tutorial on how to fix the Instagram Messenger update not working issue in 2023. If you've recently updated your Instagram app and are facing problems with the Messenger feature, follow these steps to troubleshoot the issue. First, we need to check if our Instagram app is updated. Launch App Store by tapping it and search for Instagram app. Check if the Instagram is up to date. After that, we need to go to our Instagram app. Once we are on the app, go to your profile. It is located in the bottom right of your screen. Tap it. Then find the three horizontal lines located on the top right corner of your screen. Tap it. Now, go to Settings and Privacy. We are on the Settings and Privacy section. Now, if your Instagram app is not updated, you may see an option that says Update Messaging. It should look like this. If you see that option, tap Update on Messaging. After tapping, you will be taken to the update screen. Then hit Update to fix the Instagram Messenger issue. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Instagram Messenger update. Thank you for watching.